Team Creative Design, welcome back guys. Welcome back to What's Up Wednesday. Today we have 20 amazing Amazon finds. Most of these things are under $20. I found them to be extremely helpful. The video will be a little long, so grab your favorite snack if you're interested in seeing the things that I found on Amazon, guys. And if you love Amazon like I do, keep watching. I'm going to jump right into the video. So the first thing, guys, is this Andis straightening comb. I use it when I'm doing my units. If I wash my hair and I want to kind of straighten it just a little bit and put a little bit of heat to my hair, it works perfect. It has an automatic on and off shut off. It has different temperature settings. It goes up to 450. This one I actually brought from my mom. Her hair is natural. She's been wanting one. So guys, if you are looking for something to use that is able to be adjusted heat settings, you don't have to worry about leaving it on. This is actually an awesome product. The next thing, guys, is this wax stick. I found often when I was doing my units, I would have flyaways. And this is the Care wax stick. Works awesome. It does not leave a lot of residue, clear, and it does not mess up your units. You're not having to constantly wash your hair because of an oil residue. If you're laying down your natural hair or if you're using a unit, ladies, this works extremely well. So this, I think, was about $10 on Amazon. So if you want to check that out, it is an awesome product.
What if I'm not natural and I don't wear units?
You can still use it on regular hair. So if you just use a beveling iron or straightening iron and straighten your hair out and you still have some flyaways, it's not laying down like you want to, still work. Perfect product. This I stumbled across on Amazon. It is a beauty blender holder, and I actually think it is so cute. I wanted something because I was just tossing my beauty blenders into a little bin that I have, and then I would always have to dig through, of course, and try to find the one I need. So this, I think, is absolutely amazing. It holds up to 8 and different sizes, if you guys can see. They have them in combinations of 1, 2, or 3. Of course, the more you order, the cheaper the price gets, but it runs around $10 as well. And let's see. The next thing, guys, is this fillable mascara tube, and this I use for putting natural oils in. I use Jamaican oil, black Jamaican oil, vitamin E oil, and I put it on my lashes at night. Ladies, you know, if you use any type of lashes, if you add lashes, artificial lashes, when you remove them, I don't care how careful you are, you can tend to remove some of your natural, your own lashes. So you have to make sure, just like we care for our hair, we have to make sure we're taking care of our lashes and keep the growth going. So this is an awesome product. You can make your own concoction of whatever you want to use. Put it on your eyes at night as a serum, and it works perfect. Seals well. You could take them, travel, whatever you want to do. So you guys definitely should check that out. The next thing, guys, is, if you see me looking down, I'm looking at my notes so I don't forget anything. Oh, Model 1's polygel kit. So this I love because you can do your own nails. Takes about an hour. This kit comes with everything you need. It comes with the plastic gel forms. It comes with a base coat, top coat, 6 colors. It even comes with some stones and some glitter. You prep your nails. It comes with the tool to clean around your nails when you're actually applying this. This is somewhat, it gives you the acrylic look, guys, but it's so much easier than acrylic. It works extremely well. And it's quick, simple, and easy. Anybody can do it. It's not like trying to apply acrylic. Acrylic, you don't have to worry about a bunch of lumps and humps. It takes a very small amount of the product. And I also ordered with this a drill. And the drill is, I don't remember the company. I will place it in the description box. But I'm going to show you quick. So the drill came, it came with all the removable tips as well, just like you see in the nail salon. So you slide the tips out. You can do it very easy. So this is the drill. I will post it. It says AirC, works extremely well. I'll post it in the description box. So that was a nice kit to have. You do have to have a LED lamp to dry your nails, and the one that I use with this one I've showed you guys before is the the McCart. And the reason I use the McCart for this one is because it's 48 watt, so it dries well with the gel, the polygel kit. Now if you're gonna do gel polish, you don't necessarily have to have this one. You can have one that's not 48 watt, and I have a couple of LED lamps. So I'll jump into that and show you guys the next kit, which is the Castany gel polish. This is just a gel polish, comes with top coat, base coat. That's what I'm actually wearing on my nails now, guys, and I'm gonna do a video for that, so I will be posting that soon, so stay on the lookout. This one comes with 6 colors, top coat, base coat, and you just polish your nails, use your LED lamp, use your top coat, and it comes out very well. We also ordered another set of gel polishes, and these all work really well. This one was a better deal. I placed these in a tray already, but this one was a better deal. How much were these? These were
27.
27 for a total of 20. So
Plus the coats.
if you all can see, you get several different color options with this one, and you get your top coat, your base coat, and it actually had a few more glitter. Like if you can see my nails, this one has a glitter from the other set, but this set came with about 3 or 4 different glitter options versus the other one only had one. So that was a good deal as well.
You using a matte top coat? I think yours has a matte in it too.
Yes, they both have a matte top coat, and this one is, the brand was Beetles, and there is a Beetles lamp. Where's my Beetles lamp?
Up there.
There it is. Oh, I moved it. So this is the Beetles lamp that I use for drying that polish, the gel polish. The cute thing about this one is if you're trying to relax and you want a little bit of entertainment, you can actually, it has a cell phone holder, so you can actually watch videos, so you guys can watch me while you do your nails. So that's the neat thing about that one. And then the next thing was the hair turbans. So guys, if you saw me in one of my videos, I'm starting to wear turbans. I think they're cute, easy way to look really pulled together if you have to run to the store, you don't have time to do your hair. So I ordered these 2 colors. I like this mustard gold. I'm most of the time not a color person, but this color really caught my eye, so I ordered this mustard gold, and I ordered this black, and I'm going to insert clips of me wearing these, so you'll see those popping up. But I thought these were really, really cute, really inexpensive. You can kind of style them your own way. Everybody, all ladies need something quick and easy to pop on when you got to make that run and you don't have time to pull it all together. So these are definitely you should try these, guys. Let's see. Next thing was oh guys, I ordered the cutest little thing. As I got older, I started to get into all type of glasses, guys. And so I ordered an acrylic organizer. And this allows me to see my glasses without actually having to slide the drawers out. So I know exactly what I'm wanting to grab. The drawers come out really easy. It gives you a nice, slim, sleek look. It is stackable, so if you want more than one. I didn't order more than one because I wanted to try it first, but now that I'm liking it so much, I'm actually going to grab another one of these, and I'll post a link to this as well in the description box. And then we have
You not gonna let us see your glasses?
Oh, sorry. She's saying I should let you guys see the glasses. So these glasses didn't come from Amazon, guys. They came from another site. But if you are interested, I'll just show you a couple pair. They have some of the cutest frame, especially if you're like me. I'm a large frame girl. I love the different designs. And so if you guys would like to see me do a haul on the different glasses that I've grabbed, please comment below and I will be more than happy to do that. The next thing, guys, I think a lot of us ladies can use, and that is Apple Watch band. So there are two different styles. This one is a nice simple silver. It came in gold. They also have it in a mix where the band comes in silver with gold accents, so if you want to be versatile. But this is really, really nice. And then this one is called, I guess it's called Tortoise. So this one is nice as well. And when you put it on, it gives you a really, really elegant look. Just nice, clean look. So these guys, definitely check these out. I'll post clips and post this in the description box as well. And for all of you who work in the office, who are working from home, who are doing Zoom meetings, if you actually are doing YouTube and anything where you need to have your voice microphoned in a meeting or anything, I ordered this microphone and it works amazing. It is a snowball microphone. It just plugs in via USB port. You plug it directly into your computer, laptop, whatever, and you can see the little red indicator light picks up your voice. Works amazing. So this was, I think, $59.99. So this is, and I think the way it looks is so sleek and cute, really cute for your desk. So guys, check that out. Let's see, guys, the next thing coming up, everybody can use, I think, and that is a mask insert. These actually serve purpose. It stops your mask from fitting so tight on your face to the point where you can't breathe. Of course, we want to protect ourselves, but as long as we have to wear masks now, if you're out, you have to have them on to protect yourself. Wearing them for hours can be irritating. I'm sure we all know that by now. It also protects your face and keeps the mask from rubbing up against your face and causing the dirt to cause us to have irritated skin, breakouts, ladies. And it also helps if you have glasses and you need that bridge to keep the mask from hitting up against your glasses. Sometimes, I don't know, I've worn my glasses and if I'm breathing, when I breathe, it fogs my glasses up. So this gives that vent to allow that, but still provides me with protection. So this was nice. How much were these?
5 for $7.99.
So decent price, 5 for $7, guys. So try those out. And then we have a few things for your car. This is a little car trash can. So cute. It fits in your cup holder. It comes in a couple different colors, so if you want some color, they do have that. You can put it in your cup holder in the morning if you're drinking coffee, if you are needing to throw away your straws, whatever, hand wipes from sanitizing your hand. Instead of it ended up in your car, you can just drop it right in here, dump it, put it back in your car, and it's easy to open and reseal. So this was really cute, under $10, and it actually does save you from having a lot of junk in your car if you're like me, because I have kids and they tend to want to just drop things. So wait a minute.
Snap it.
Here we go. So there we go. And then also for your car, these are purse hooks. So you hook them to the back of your seat And then you're able to hook your purse, and your purse is not thrown in the floor. You can easily reach it, make your purse easily accessible. Keeps your designer purses from getting dirty by you sitting them in the floor. I hate sitting mine in the floor because I have a 10-year-old, and I tend to sit it in the back floorboard if I'm going to put it back there. And if he's getting in, he'll step all over it. And I don't want him stepping on my designer purses. So this works extremely well. Very inexpensive, but functional. So you guys should check those out as well. And then last but not least is another beauty product. And that is this, which is I call it's a makeup brush holder. I'm actually using it for a different purpose right now. It's very versatile. So right now I have pens in it, guys, my little diamond pens. But I do also see it's very versatile. You use it. It's actually a makeup brush holder. It lights up, which I think is so cute. And it has different settings. So it has warm setting, cool setting, and I think it was like $14 or $15 on Amazon. I will post the link. So cute, guys. So if you want something on your desk for your office, something different, try it out that way. Or if you want something to hold your makeup brushes, and girls, you are glitz and glam, this is the thing for you. Absolutely cute. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the the Amazon must-have that we've done today. I will be doing more of these. If you like them, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, guys, be blessed.